Nadia Nakai is currently trending, and this time it is not for her music but for a video she recently posted that has sparked a massive debate online. While some fans praised her for her confidence, others were quick to criticize her appearance, with harsh comments claiming that she looks botched and that supposedly destroyed herself because of a BBL. Because the backlash has been intense, with social media users picking apart her body and making her the center of cruel jokes and opinions. However, many people are also stepping in to defend her, saying that everyone has the right to do whatever they want with their own body. At the end of the day, it is her life, her choice, and her happiness is what truly matters. If she feels confident and comfortable in her own skin, then that should be enough, because no matter what you do in this world, people will always find something to say. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts down below in the comment section, and I will see you on my next upload.